Let me guess. You've been eyeing those beautiful lock wigs online, but every time you check the price tag, your jaw almost hits the floor. Or maybe you've even thought about making one yourself, but the tutorials you've seen look complicated, time-consuming, and honestly, a little overwhelming. If you're like most people I talk to, you're probably thinking, it's too hard, it's too expensive, it's going to take forever. But imagine this instead. You've made a gorgeous natural looking lock wig with your own hands in just 2 hours. A wig that saves you hundreds of dollars, gives you the exact style you want, and lets you rock that locked look instantly without waiting for years for your natural hair to grow or locking yourself into a hairstyle you can't change. Whether you want it for yourself or your clients, or even to start a side hustle selling them, the freedom that comes with this skill is unmatched. That's exactly why I created my Beginner's Luck Week course. It's a simple step-by-step online class where I'll teach you my easy crochet method for making lock wigs. No confusing techniques, no expensive equipment, no need for prior salon experience. In fact, you can follow along with me and complete your very first lock wig in just 2 hours. Here's the best part. It's a pre-recorded course, which means you can pause, rewind, and learn completely at your own pace. No pressure, no stress. I've been in the hair and wig industry for over 6 years, making braid wigs, lock wigs, and teaching hundreds of students across the world how to do the same. I know exactly where beginners get stuck, and I've designed this course to make sure you succeed, even if you've never touched a mannequin head before. So here's the deal. You can get access to the full beginner's Lockway course for just $27, for less than the cost of one salon visit or a single dinner out. You gain a skill that will save you money for years, help you look amazing, and even open up a whole new stream of income if you choose to sell your wigs. Don't wait. Click the link below right now, grab your spot inside the beginner's Lockwick course, and let me show you how simple and fun it can be to make your own beautiful lock wigs. I can't wait to see what you create.